How to fix Snapchat login error on iPhone. So if you're having trouble, maybe just logging into your Snapchat account in this case, right? So maybe you're trying to log into Snapchat, but you're getting some kind of issues. There are a couple of things that we can actually try. The first and the foremost thing is that you want to make sure it is not the issue with your, let's say, credentials. So make sure your username, email, or phone number is correct and that your password is also correct. Now, in case you happen to forget your password, you can always just tap the forgot password button right there to reset your password, because sometimes it could just be that your password is incorrect. Now, aside from this, we're trying to try a couple of fixes like your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. After that, you can also simply try to open up the settings application. When you open up settings, simply go to the option general, then go to the option that says iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you have to just scroll down and go to show all and just look for the Snapchat app, right? So if it's hidden, go to hidden and select Snapchat and tap the offload app button and then make sure to offload the app and reinstall it. And hopefully that would help you solve the problem. And if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.